Hello, my name is Phil Spencer and I'm here to talk to you about how to deliver a great defect-free surface when carrying out reinstatements to Ironworks. Back in the original virtual Expo series, we created a video about Ironworks. The emphasis in today's video is the next stage of innovation and development for delivering the best ironwork reinstatement depending on the scenario. This Ironwork system requires no heavy equipment for compaction, which helps to prevent early failure as a result of A, the premature vibration of the structure, and B, wheel track rutting through displacement of surfacing material. The system is supported by the Meon Performance Assured and Training Academy programs, complemented by a full set of material declaration of performance certificates. Here at Meon, we are all about delivering great surfaces, focusing on three main areas, which is safety, sustainability, and durability. The UK and Ireland road networks need to be maintained to a high standard, as this has an impact on safety, productivity, efficiency, and the general well-being of society and its infrastructure. We believe the right first-time approach has a huge whole life cost benefit and should be endorsed by the industry. Meon have designed a system for reinstating ironworks with recommended products either for asphalt or concrete surfaces. For this video, we will be displaying our concrete finished system. So let's go through the products required in this video, starting with the base of the ironworks. The HardMaster W668 are 60-minute fibre reinforced bedding mortar for the ironwork frame to sit on. The HardMaster W615, this is a high strength flowable backfill concrete that encapsulates the frame and holds it in place. The Bitusil H561 is our new product, which is a cold applied flexible self-adhesive joint tape, which will create a movement joint between the surfaces of the concrete. The HardMaster W672 are fibre reinforced non-shrink rapid setting surface concrete. This will be the top layer for the concrete surface. HardMaster W668 is a high performance rapid set and rapid strength bedding mortar containing recycled glass aggregate and polypropylene fibres. This can be opened to traffic just 60 minutes after being mixed and placed. Easy to use, pre-blended, one component product. Just add water and mix. Excellent bond strength, shrinkage compensated. The HardMaster W615 is perfect for any application that requires high early strength gain and a quick return to service. Its rapid set and high early strength development help reduce construction and road closure times, making it ideal for both planned and emergency repairs. Early strength gain, ready to receive traffic after just 90 minutes. Flowable and self-compacting. High final strength at 50 newtons per millimeter squared. Bitusil H561 is a cold applied self-adhesive tape which provides a flexible joint between ironwork reinstatements and surrounding asphalt surface. The polymer modified bitumen tape offers a very simple and easy to use solution to create a flexible, watertight seal around the reinstatement, which will remove the risk of failure due to substrate movement. Flexible to create expansion joint, high bond strength, self-adhesive for quick application. HardMaster W672 is perfect for any application that requires a quick return to service time. Its rapid set and early strength gain help reduce both road and operational space closure times, making it ideal for both planned and emergency repairs. Ready to receive traffic after just 90 minutes. Fibre reinforced to increase surface durability. Engineered for troweling to a perfect finish. Now let's hand over to our expert demonstration team who will run through the steps involved with this application in more detail. Preparation. We have prepared a gully cover that needed re-levelling You require a 2-person team for this reinstatement. Make sure that the substrate is sound and cut to correct depth, making sure not to overcut beyond the reinstatement. All the material within the cut has been removed, leaving a sound, clean surface. Application. The next step of the application is to mix up bedding mortar. Mix each 25 kg unit with 2.5 to 3 litres of clean water. Pre-measure the required volume of water into a clean mixing vessel and steadily add the powder to the water. The product should be mixed for 2 to 3 minutes until a smooth, homogeneous mortar consistency is achieved. For best results, HardMaster W668 should be mixed using a steel mixing paddle coupled with a twin-handled mixing unit. HardMaster W668 FR bedding mortar should be placed on the pre-wetted application area without delay after mixing. While someone is finishing the mixing, the other person can pre-wet the surface of the chamber to help the mortar adhere to it. Due to the rapid setting nature of W668, only ever mix a quantity of material that can be used and placed within 5 minutes of mixing. Place the mixed mortar on your mixing mat next to the reinstatement and apply with your trowel around the edge of the reinstatement. HardMaster W668 FR bedding mortar should be applied at a minimum thickness of 10 mm. We pre-measured the required depth, which at 20 mm provides a good bedding depth. Apply an even bed thickness to the whole application area, ensuring a nominal 5 to 10 mm excess thickness is present to allow for bedding of the frame. Lift the frame into position and lower the frame onto the malleable mortar. The frame should then be tamped down to the correct height, ensuring the top of the frame sits slightly below the level of the surrounding surface. Make sure W668 is pressed up against the underside of the frame, leaving no gaps and a neat looking finish. Care should be taken to avoid creating air voids under the frame at this stage. Point up the inner and outer exposed surfaces, ensuring all voids are filled. Once the bedding mortar has reached initial set, the backfill concrete HardMaster W615 flowable can be mixed and placed. This helps to reinforce the frame's position and is an integral part of the Ironworks system. Mix 25 kg unit with 2.3 to 2.8 litres of clean water. Pre-measure the required volume of water into a clean mixing vessel such as a gorilla bucket and steadily add the powder to the water whilst mixing. The product should be mixed for 2 to 3 minutes until a smooth, homogeneous mortar consistency is achieved. Do not remix or add extra water to extend the working time of the material. The flowable is then poured around the manhole to backfill it to a level roughly 40 mm below the surface, which in this case is just above the flange of the ironwork. You can use a trowel to help level it out and guide the material into the desired location. Just before the material has reached its initial set, we applied our Bituseal H561. Bituseal H561 must be applied before installation of the surface course of the reinstatement. Measure the sides of the reinstatement to find out the length of a Bituseal H561 required. Roll out the product, cut to the required length and then place on the vertical edge. Remove the backing from the tape and press the tape into the place level with the surrounding surface. A hammer can be used to assist and help set it at the correct height and adhere to the side of the reinstatement. Once W615 has reached its initial set and the surface is dry, the surface reinstatement process can be then continued. For the surface layer in this system, we are going to apply the HardMaster W672. To ensure we keep the ironworks clean, we mask the top using tape. Mix each 25 kg unit with 2.5 to 3 litres of cool, clean water. Pre-measure the required volume of water into a clean mixing vessel and steadily add the powder to the water or add the water into the powder if using buckets. The product should be mixed for 2 to 3 minutes, similar to HardMaster W615. Once mixed, we trowel the HardMaster W672 into the area and trowel out to create a smooth, level surface. We use a range of trowels and a brush to complete the process of applying HardMaster W672. A gauging trowel to initially place the product followed by a plastic float to compact and level the product to the required surface height. Next, a steel flat face trowel to smooth over the top of the surface to help bring the water to the top of the surface, which then allows us to apply the brush marks and create a textured finish. Finally, we use a steel bullnose trowel to finish the joint edges. Leave to set for 90 minutes and reopen to traffic. All tools can be cleaned with water after mixing or application. Using these approved, tried and tested methods, Meon can guarantee you peace of mind, cost savings and a defect-free reinstatement. On our website www.meonuk.com, the date sheets can be found and also a huge wealth of knowledge and resource in the form of case studies, how-to guides and frequently asked questions. If you would like further information or a sample or demonstration, then please do get in contact. We're personally available to support you with your project. You can call us on 02392 200 606 or email mail@meonuk.com. Thank you for watching.